SAB Miller has been awarded a license in Namibia to compete with rival brewer Diageo. The company plans to build a brewery at a site yet to be confirmed. The brewer has been importing beer into Namibia for more than 20 years and holds about 22% of that market. To tell us more about this strategic move is Cobus Bruwer, Managing Director of Castle Brewing Namibia. Cobus, thank you very much for joining us on Regional Roundup. And I guess it's a question you've been asked the whole day today. Why Namibia in particular? You've been looking for a license for the past decade. Why is Namibia so crucial when it's an investment that looks as if disproportionate to the potential returns?
Thank you very much. SAB Miller has operated in the Namibian market for the last 20 years. And we have established our brands in the marketplace. Whilst SAB Miller is a major player in the global beer industry, every market that extends its footprint is considered valuable. SAB Miller has got a strategy to extend its foothold into to create a balanced portfolio of businesses in the developing markets, and this is just another extension of that strategy.
Well, you recently had a favorable ruling in the London courts regarding your operations in Tanzania. You'll also be paying over $19 million for Zambian Mehau when you already own Zambian breweries and 70% of national breweries there. How strategic is the Namibian plant in accessing other African markets like Angola, for example?
The operation and the investment is aimed at servicing the Namibian market only. We've got a balanced portfolio of brands in this market, and our focus will be to service and build those brands for the Namibian consumers only at this stage.
Okay, you already have a 22% market share in Namibia. What are your growth expectations for this particular market when it's already a mature beer market?
Yes, Namibia has got an excellent beer culture, a well-established beer culture. We've got about 22% market share, and it's our intent to grow the business for one. And I believe that with this investment, we will be better positioned to grow and be competitive in this marketplace to grow our market share.
Okay, let's look at the investment then within the Namibian market. How much will it cost you to build this plant?
Well, there are a number of things that we still need to tie down with respect to this investment. It will be a significant investment from a Namibian perspective, and I'm unable to give you an exact number at this stage.
Then when do you expect construction to begin, and when do you expect the brewery to be up and running?
Yeah, we expect construction to start around about the middle of next year. Typically, a project of this size takes anything between 18 to 24 months to complete. So we hope to be able to serve our first home brewed beers by the end of 2011.
But Cobus, how much is this about countering Diageo and Heineken at the end of the day, where through a partnership, company Brand House Beverages Limited, they also expected to be opening up a brewery here in South Africa with a capacity of 3 million hectoliters. How much is this about countering what your competitors are doing than to expand really your operations in Namibia?
Yeah, it's a good question. I want to make it clear that this is not a competitive move. We've got a couple of clear and very specific and simple reasons for investing. One, it's a commercial argument. It's well known that it is not economically viable to transport beverages over long distances. Secondly, it's the environmental issue. Our business model currently allows us only to import bottled beer in non-returnable containers, which means that when we're switching to a brewery, we will be able to switch to returnable bottles. This means that we will significantly lessen our impact on the environment. And lastly, it's about the consumer proposition. We believe that consumers will make the choice depending on their preferences and also the occasions. So we hope to improve our offering in that regard.
What will be the capacity output of this particular plant?
We are currently holding 22% of the marketplace, roundabout. We're looking at a capacity just below around about 250,000 hectolitres.
Great. Cobus, and what's your target for the next 5 years looking at the Namibian market particularly?
Yeah, you know, there's obviously benefits in for the local economy here, which we are very proud about. The second thing is that, like any other business, we want to deliver a good return on investment on shareholder funds, and as such, we plan to grow our volumes in this market. We want to grow the whole category, beer category, and I'm very confident that with this facility there, we can substantially increase volumes, and by growing the market, plus we will be competitive in the marketplace in terms of our offering. We've got a fantastic range of brand offerings, and as time goes, we will obviously assess opportunities that might open up in the marketplace, and we might even extend our brand range.